They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but when you're on a weight loss journey, making the right choices is essential. Many people either skip breakfast or opt for unhealthy options due to their busy schedules. However, did you know that starting your day with a well-balanced meal can boost metabolism, curb cravings, and support fat loss? In this video, we'll explore 12 quick and nutritious breakfast options that are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients to aid in weight loss. These meals require minimal preparation, keeping you full and energized throughout the day. If you're looking for simple, healthy, and time-saving breakfast ideas, keep watching. Now, let's get started. 1. Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and probiotics, which promote gut health and keep you feeling full for longer. Adding berries such as blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries provides antioxidants, while a handful of nuts offers healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. Why it's beneficial for weight loss. Protein helps reduce hunger and prevents overeating. Berries add natural sweetness without excess sugar. Nuts provide healthy fats that support metabolism. Quick tip: choose unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid hidden sugars. 2. Oatmeal with chia seeds and almond butter. Oatmeal is a fiber-rich breakfast option that stabilizes blood sugar levels and helps control cravings. Chia seeds add an extra dose of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, while almond butter offers protein and healthy fats for sustained energy. Why it's beneficial for weight loss. High fiber content promotes satiety and digestive health, provides long-lasting energy to prevent snacking. Chia seeds enhance the nutritional value with protein and omega-3s. Quick tip: choose plain rolled oats over instant oatmeal, which often contains added sugars. 3. Avocado toast on whole grain bread. Avocado toast is more than just a trendy dish, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. Avocados are rich in fiber and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, making them an ideal food for weight management. Why it's beneficial for weight loss. Healthy fats keep you satisfied and reduce cravings. Whole grain bread provides complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Toppings like tomatoes, eggs, or seeds enhance the nutritional profile. Quick tip: stick to one slice of whole grain bread to control calorie intake. 4. Smoothie with protein and greens. A well-balanced smoothie is a fast and nutrient-dense breakfast option. A great combination includes protein powder, leafy greens like spinach or kale, banana, and unsweetened almond milk. Why it's beneficial for weight loss. Protein supports muscle maintenance and fat loss. Greens provide essential vitamins and minerals without extra calories. Hydrates and fuels your body for the day ahead. Quick tip: add chia or flaxseeds for extra fiber and satiety. 5. Hard-boiled eggs with whole grain crackers. Eggs are a top-tier protein source loaded with essential nutrients. Pairing them with whole grain crackers creates a balanced and convenient breakfast. Why it's beneficial for weight loss. High protein content keeps you full longer. Whole grains provide complex carbs for lasting energy. A quick, portable option for busy mornings. Quick tip: sprinkle eggs with black pepper or paprika for added flavor. 6. Cottage cheese with pineapple and flax seeds. Cottage cheese is low in calories, yet packed with protein, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. The natural sweetness of pineapple adds flavor, while flax seeds contribute fiber and omega-3s. Why it's beneficial for weight loss. Protein-rich, which aids in appetite control. Pineapple contains digestive enzymes that boost metabolism. Flax seeds improve digestion and provide essential fatty acids. Quick tip: opt for low-fat cottage cheese for a lighter option. 7. Scrambled eggs with spinach and feta cheese. Scrambled eggs are quick to prepare and become even healthier when paired with spinach and feta cheese. Spinach is loaded with iron and fiber, while feta adds a tangy flavor without too much fat. Why it's beneficial for weight loss. High in protein and essential nutrients. helps prevent hunger and midday snacking. Spinach adds vitamins and fiber for digestive health. Quick tip: use a small amount of olive oil instead of butter for cooking. 8. Chia pudding with almond milk and honey. Chia pudding is an easy, no-cook breakfast option that can be prepared the night before. Chia seeds absorb liquid, creating a creamy and nutritious meal. Why it's beneficial for weight loss. High fiber content aids digestion and satiety. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation and support fat loss. A satisfying low-calorie breakfast. Quick tip: let the pudding sit overnight for the best texture. 9. Whole grain pancakes with almond butter. If you love pancakes, switching to whole grain flour and healthy toppings makes them a more weight loss-friendly option. Why it's beneficial for weight loss. Whole grains digest slowly, keeping you full longer. Almond butter adds healthy fats and protein, offers a delicious alternative without empty calories. Quick tip: use mashed bananas or unsweetened applesauce as a natural sweetener instead of sugar. 10. Peanut butter banana toast. This classic breakfast option is quick, delicious, and packed with essential nutrients. Peanut butter provides healthy fats and protein, while bananas add natural sweetness and potassium. Why it's beneficial for weight loss. Peanut butter curbs hunger and offers long-lasting energy. Bananas are a nutritious, low-calorie carbohydrate source. Simple and quick to prepare. Quick tip: use natural peanut butter with no added sugar or oils. 11. Salmon and avocado on rice cakes. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, making it an excellent food for weight management. Paired with avocado and rice cakes, it creates a satisfying, nutrient-dense meal. Why it's beneficial for weight loss. Supports fat metabolism and heart health. Provides long-lasting fullness and energy. A great low-carb, high-protein option. Quick tip: smoked salmon is a convenient choice for busy mornings. 12. Tofu scramble with veggies. For those seeking a plant-based breakfast, a tofu scramble with vegetables is a fantastic high-protein alternative to eggs. Why it's beneficial for weight loss. High in protein, yet low in calories. Provides essential amino acids for muscle maintenance. A great vegan-friendly option. Quick tip: add turmeric for a vibrant color and anti-inflammatory benefits. Final thoughts: choosing the right breakfast can set the stage for a productive, energetic day while keeping your weight loss goals on track. Each of these options is nutritious, delicious, and easy to prepare, making it simple to maintain a healthy eating routine. Which of these healthy breakfasts will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and wellness content. Thank you for watching Dr. Knows, where we bring you expert health advice for a better, healthier life. See you in the next video.